In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play multiplayer in Minecraft Java Edition MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be presenting the most common ways to set up a multiplayer server on a MacBook. So I want to make it very clear that I am recording this on my Windows PC, but everything that I say will be applied to macOS. So first, one of the easiest ways to play together with your friends is by hosting a LAN world. Of course, this will only work if your friends are on the same Wi-Fi network as you. So all of you need to be on the same network. And if that's the case, then what you can do is join any world, pause the game at any point, and go over to Open to LAN. In here, set up the game mode, allow commands, and then you will be given a random port number, which you can select, but you will see it by default here. Then start the LAN world. What your friends will have to do is they will go over to multiplayer. So from their perspective, they choose multiplayer, then they can go over to direct connection or add server. I recommend just using direct connection. And in here, they type out your IP address. Sadly, I won't be able to show you how to acquire your IP address in this video, but it is incredibly simple. Once they type your IP address, they follow it up with the port number that was available when you chose Start LAN World. And once they click Join, as long as you are inside of the world hosting it, then they will be able to play. If you exit out of the world, the LAN session will be interrupted, so keep that in mind. Now, this is convenient, but sometimes you might want to play online with your friends. If that's the case, then you will have to look into server hosting. Now, you can host a server on your own. However, I would highly recommend against doing it on a Mac. You can do it by downloading the server.jar file, so you download Java, and then you follow the instructions on the wiki. Sadly, I cannot cover it in this video alone because it is going to be more than 3 minutes possibly, so you will have to look into this on your own. But you do this by running a jar file and letting it run on the background. Like I said before, however, I recommend against this because it is really resource intensive. If you and your friends have a little bit of money and you want to play Minecraft for a while, consider paying for server hosting on one of these services. It doesn't matter which one, a lot of server hosting services exist. An example would be Apex Hosting, and they will do all of the work for you. Their servers will stay up 24/7, ultra low latency, you can download mods, they will do backups, and you can choose how much you want to pay. So choose one of these options and you will be able to play together with your friends depending on your circumstances. Now, if this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.